everyone, welcome to our Nan Hua drumming session. In our session, we will use a simple way to teach you how to play Chinese drum. Today we are going to do our 5th class of leaping universal drum called 3-3 that has 2 lines. The first line is 1 4 7左右左1 4 7左1 2 3 4. But I will teach you part by part. The first part is 1 4 7左右左. And on E, you raise your left hand, 4 is right, 7 is left. Now let's try to play it twice on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? Let's try it again. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? Now let's go to the second part, which is 1 4 7左1 2 3 4. Now let's try to play it twice on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Let's try it again. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Let's try it again. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Now let's play the whole line 3 times using the speed of 70. Ready? 5 6 7 8. Now let's go to the second line, which is 3-8, and the last 8 it ends with Jio. After Jio, it's I Asansi. Then after I Asansi, you do a V shape. The first 8, you play soft on the side of the drum while squatting down. The second 8, you played medium in the middle of the drum while squatting up a bit. The last 8, you played hard on the center of the drum while standing up. And the last 8, it ends with Jio. And you play Jio while squatting down. After you played I Asansi and you played while standing up. Then after you do a V shape. Now let's try to play the whole line twice using the speed of 70. Ready? Let's try it again. Ready? Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? Let's try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's try to link them playing twice using the speed of 70. Ready? Let's try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our 5th class of 3-3. Take your time to practice so that you can be able to know and play the beat. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button.